If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water.
Hey guys, what's going on? It is me, G Money Cakes, and I am here for Friday's video. So we are going to be reviewing a Jordan 1. This Jordan 1 is called the Wolf Grey Pure Platinum. And I know that is a long name, but yeah, it is a legit shoe. And they do sell these at Foot Locker. It is not a retro. It does not have the Nike Air on the tongue or the Jumpman, or it does have the Jumpman on the back. But yeah, let's get into it. So yeah guys, these are the Wolf Grey Pure Platinum Jordan 1s. I'm sorry. And yeah, these are not fully retro because they have the Jumpman on the tongue and the Jumpman on the back. But these are very comfortable in my opinion. These have really padded tongues and padded like sock liner, which in my opinion is really nice if you want to get a comfortable shoe, because it has a lot of padding on the tongue. Just gives you a lot of ankle support, especially for basketball. The only reason why I wouldn't recommend these for basketball is the sole, because these are pretty hard. These are the Jordan 1s, and if y'all know, the Jordan 1s don't have like any technology in here that makes these comfortable. These are just like full rubber soles, so when you land down, it's just like there's no support down there. But there is nice leather on this shoe, and I like that. And also, these are a neutral colored shoe because they have the black, the white, and the gray. But the thing that pops about these are the Wings logo right there and the Nike symbol, because these are like a shinier leather. Yeah, I recommend these, but I also recommend going a half size up. Yeah, I guess I'll see you in the on foot. So yeah guys, these are the Jordan 1 Pure Platinum Wolf Greys. Hope you guys enjoyed the review, and I'll see you for Monday's video. Peace.
Yeah. 908 LA time. Back in the lab and shit. My wife said I can't say no to nobody, and at this rate we gon' both die broke. Got friends that ask me for money knowing I'm in debt, and like my wife said, I still didn't say no.